Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing video for you of this air purifier, which I'm really excited to show you. I also have another giveaway that I am going to share with you guys in this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Okay, so today I want to bring you this great unboxing video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I did just hit 8,500 subscribers, which I'm super excited about. So I love doing giveaways and I will be doing another giveaway in this video for a chance to win this. So you will be able to win this Nexus shampoo and conditioner, as well as this cute little scrunchie here. I actually use Nexus shampoo myself. That is the shampoo and conditioner that works the best for my hair versus like the Pantenes, the Tresemes, anything like that. All of that sulfate really just affects my hair. I do straighten it sometimes. My hair's pretty curly, so I'll put gel, blow dry it, kind of you name it. It is also dyed, obviously, with all of my highlights in it. So this is a great shampoo and conditioner, so I wanted to share it with you guys as well, especially if you haven't used it before. So stay tuned in this video. I will share with you guys exactly what you need to do to enter this newest giveaway. Now back to the unboxing. So the reason why I'm excited to share this with you guys is because I was in the market for an air purifier. If you've been following my channel and you've been a subscriber for a while, you know that I live in Florida, and with the heat and humidity, it gets rainy, it gets muggy and gross. So our ACs sometimes get pretty mildewy, which I smell sometimes in my own house, which totally freaks me out. So we change our filters. I have my AC serviced a couple times a year just to try to help that. They'll clean it out and everything for me. But right where I sit in my home office, there is a vent and it'll blow the air right on me, and I do smell a little bit of the mildew sometimes. So I really wanted to get an air purifier that I can put right in my home office just to help clean the air and purify it so that I don't get sick. Especially with the coronavirus going on right now, a lot of new details and information coming out about it, sticking to your clothes and your shoes, being airborne, things like that. So I want to make sure that the air inside my home is as clean as possible. So they sent me this air purifier to share with you guys, do the unboxing, go over some of the different features. Then I'm gonna plug it in and see how I like it in a couple of days. So we will recap at the end how I feel about the air purifier. So let's go ahead and open up this box. And before we do, there's a couple things on here as well as it shows you. It shows you about the filter. There are 4 layers in the filter, and it works on pet hair and pet fur. I have a dog and her hair is all over the place. I really want to get a Roomba. That's the next thing. So Roomba, if you want to send me a Roomba, I wouldn't be mad, because there's like hair and dust bunnies and stuff kind of all over the house. So this says that it is going to help get rid of that dander and everything as well. Efficiency filter, 3-gear wind speed. So just depending on the size of the room and what you guys are looking for, there are some different adjustments that you can make right on this machine. And it's not huge. I don't know, compare it next to me, right? I'm 5'2", so it's probably what, 2 feet tall or something like that. I'm sure the dimensions are on here as well. If you do have a small space, this is not gonna take up a ton of space. So let's go ahead and open it up. Have our instruction manual here. Definitely gonna need that. Okay, so there it is. Let's take it out here. Put this down here. Look how cute. definitely not huge. It's super light. This is really well packaged. Okay, get out of here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. There are the different settings right there. A couple other things, they have a light on it as well. I'm assuming this dome that you can see, I'm assuming that is what glows, which would be super cool, especially if it changed colors. So let's see how we can get this set up. And the filter is right here at the bottom. So you just turn this thing here, and here is the filter. So you wanna make sure that you obviously take it out of the wrapping. So here's the different filter here. As you can see, there's all those little ridges. That way it can trap and lock as much from the air and prevent it from getting in your lungs. That goes there. This back on. Okay, so now it is time to plug it in and turn this thing on. Okay, so it's all plugged in. So now let's go ahead and turn it on. It is touchscreen as well, so you just touch it. Right now it is on speed 2. You can't really hear it. It's super, super quiet, which is really nice, especially having it in my home office. I'm on the phone all day, making calls, receiving calls, so I can't have something that is super loud and distracting. As you see, the colors under here do change color, which is super, super cool. So let's take a closer look. So here it is. There's the different speeds that you can touch right here. So if you can hear it, it's super, super soft. It's not very loud at all. When you need to change the filter light here is gonna turn on. You can also turn the light off here if you want, or turn it back on. I think it's super cool because it changes colors. Right now it's red, it does all different colors. It says purple, now it says yellow, green, super cool. And of course you can change the speed. So if you want it to be a little calmer, if you don't need it to be so crazy, you can turn it on a level 1. So I'm excited to use this for the next couple days. I will let you guys know exactly how I think about it. I've been sneezing up in the house quite a bit. I know the pollen is still a little crazy, so we'll see how this goes, see if I kind of stop sneezing over the next couple days, and if I recommend you guys getting one for sure. The link to purchase, of course, is listed in the description box if you guys are in the market for an air purifier. It's not a super expensive one. It's definitely worth the cost for an air purifier. So on my channel, I try to find things that are a good value, so pretty nice quality for the cost, and I would say this definitely qualifies for that because it's not hundreds and hundreds of dollars, which when I was researching some of them get quite expensive. So this could be a good option for you. Okay, so to enter this giveaway for hitting 8,500 subscribers and win these Nexus products and this bath proof here, all you have to do is give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family on any of the social media outlets, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever. Make sure you guys share it so your friends and family can see as well. And drop a comment below. Let me know what your favorite shampoo and conditioner is. So excited to share this with you guys. Thank you all for subscribing and being followers of my channel and watching me grow. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much and good luck. So this is my home office. I've had it here for a couple days now. I definitely give it a big thumbs up. I've only used it a couple days though, but I haven't been sneezing as much, so it's definitely been working for me. I thought this would be a great location to give it a shot as well because this is also our dining room. So we go through here to the kitchen, back and forth all the time, and that vent I was telling you about is literally like right right there in that corner. So it blows on me constantly. So this definitely makes me feel better that the air I'm breathing isn't full of all that mildew from the AC, because the AC is right out there as well. So this is probably the closest vent to the AC. So I would definitely recommend it. I would never recommend a product to you guys that I haven't tried first. I don't get paid. It's not an affiliate where I get paid for each one of these sold or anything like that. They just sent me this one to give it a try and to unbox it in front of you guys and share with you guys what I thought about it. My favorite part is definitely the cute little lights that come under it. Provides a little night light as well. I've had it running for 24 hours at a time for the last couple of days. So it hasn't had any problems. It's not super hot. It's not hot by the outlet or anything like that as well. So don't forget to drop the comments and let me know what your favorite shampoo and conditioner is so you guys can enter in to get this giveaway. I will be announcing the winner on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So make sure you have that notification bell clicked. That way you guys can check out and see if you are the lucky winner. Also, make sure you follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook. The links are in the description box as well, right next to where you can actually purchase this. The link is in the description box, so if this is something you are in the market for, you can definitely purchase this exact one in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.